Storytelling.
Hi kids, good day. This is Teacher Mitch. Today, we will read about a story, The Lion and the Mosquito, written by Boots S.A. Pastor. Are you ready to listen? Okay, let's start to read. One day, in the forest, an arrogant mosquito decided to annoy a sleeping lion. He buzzed by the lion's ears several times until the lion was awakened. Angered, the lion swung his paw at the mosquito, but the mosquito was quick to evade the lion's paw. "I'm not afraid of you, lion, even if you are the king of the forest," the mosquito taunted the lion. And the lion felt mad at what the mosquito said. He went after the mosquito and tried to bite him. But again, the mosquito was quick to avoid the lion's sharp fangs. He even laughed at the lion for failing to catch him. And the mosquitoes buzzed at the lion. They bit and sucked the blood of the lion. The lion screamed in pain. He rushed to the nearby river and submerged himself in the water to avoid the mosquitoes. And the arrogant mosquito went after the lion. "Admit your defeat, King Lion, and I will stop bugging you," the mosquito said. "You will have your day, you arrogant mosquito," the lion shouted back from the water. Just as the mosquito turned to fly away, he accidentally bumped into a spider web. He got stuck and no amount of struggle could free him. Soon, he saw the hungry spider coming to get him. Okay, so the moral lesson of this story is to overconfidence is not a good attitude to possess. Okay, who are the characters of the story, class? Okay, very good. The characters of the story are the lion and the mosquito. Do you like the story? Okay, so that's all for today and see you for our next class.
Thank you for watching.